What's up, broski?
Yo.
Cheers.
Cheers. Summertime, baby.
Summertime. Yes. Yes.
It's gonna be a hot one.
Yes.
Yes. Is that your new fucking saying?
You put a Z instead of a S.
Yes.
Yes. I think this heat is making me go crazy, man.
We need to be at the beach.
What? You go to the beach. That's fine. I'm not going to the beach.
Sharks. You're afraid of sharks. It's just a big hype, man.
No, man. That is their territory. That is their land.
They don't get near the land. They mind their own business. They're the lion of the sea.
You do not need to be going into the unknown. It is a dark, dark abyss. You can't see anything, and they are kings. They are the kings of the lake.
Stay. First of all, sharks don't live in lakes.
It's not a phobia, man. Sharks eat people, dipshit. They absolutely eat people. You remember that little story of that surfer girl and she got her arm bit off?
That was a technical accident.
Yeah, she technically got her arm eaten off.
Obama did it.
You can make my ass get healthcare. You cannot make my ass go to the beach.
More people get killed by vending machines than they do sharks.
Bullshit.
Look it up.
Oh, hi. I wanna say something. My friend Hugh, although he may be a dipshit, he was right about one thing. Vending machines kill. It's a proven fact that more people are killed each year by vending machines than shark attacks. Next time you got a craving for a payday, or a Snickers, or heaven forbid a Three Musketeers, think twice, America. Preach.